As you'll have noticed, the high-level segment has begun, and we heard many passionate statements today from leaders to get an ambitious result from Copenhagen, and I'm sure that we will hear more. This morning, the negotiating group under the Kyoto Protocol reported on the work that they have managed to do. They've managed to resolve a large number of issues, and many countries suggested that if they're given some further time, they can make further progress. At the same time, there are a number of issues which will need to be solved at the ministerial level or higher in order to get to a result today and tomorrow. As you are aware, Minister Hedegaard has stepped down as president of the conference, and Prime Minister Rasmussen has taken office. This is logical because a lot of heads of state and government are speaking, and they expect to see somebody at the same level on the podium. But Minister Hedegaard will continue to help the Danish Prime Minister in informal consultations with ministers to resolve the issues that remain outstanding. At the moment, the Danish Prime Minister is seeking to hold consultations with different regional groups on how to advance the process. I hope that we can get clarity on that in the course of the evening, that further technical work can also be allocated. I still believe that it's possible to reach a real success, but I must say that in that context, the next 24 hours are absolutely crucial and need to be used productively. We've seen a number of very important pledges, including financial pledges, being made here. I think if it hasn't happened already, we can expect very soon a very significant announcement from Japan in terms of financial support. So significant amounts of money are being offered, targets have been tabled, some targets have been increased. In addition to that, in a number of areas, for example, on capacity building, on technology, on reducing emissions from deforestation, we've seen real advances on the substance. And the Kyoto Protocol group actually reported very confidently this morning that given a little more time to work, they can get quite far. I hope that it'll be possible, as soon as the statements are over in the plenary, to open up the Conference of Parties and there hear the report of the body that's been working under the convention track, and then take steps to push that work forward.